Alright guys, welcome to AFX Academy, the low risk high reward channel where we bring you guys sniper entries and exits on forex trading. So today we want to talk about the M and the W strategy. The M and the W strategy. The M and W strategy is a very volatile strategy that works on both the London session and the New York session. The London section and the New York session. That is where we can get this strategy right. Now, the thing is, when you look at the Asian session is a point of consolidation. The Asian session consolidates. There is no real volatility in the Asian session. And in this Asian session, it happens mostly in the night in Nigeria or in Africa. Are you getting me now? Now, for a buy scenario, once you see that this is the Asian session, now after the Asian session comes the London session. This is the London session. Now, once the Asian section breaks out of this zone, once it breaks out and it forms something like a W, like this, you are expecting the price to go up. So you are buying at this point and you are putting your stop loss at this point. Stop loss here, stop here, entry here, and you can put your take profit at this point. So this is very early in the morning. When you wake up, you see the Asian section is consolidating. Once you see the London session open, wait for a W to happen. Once a W happens, just buy and go up, straight up. Don't wait. Just put your stop loss below this point. Once your stop is below this point, you're in profit. You can just use the 1:2 risk to reward. That's what I always use. I'm risking 1% of my account for a 2% gain. That's just how it is. Now let's look at the sell scenario. All right, guys, let's look at the sell scenario. Now, this is the Asian section. The Asian section like this. We have our London session straight up like this. So now when we're having consolidations, and now this breaks out. Now, once it breaks out of this level, it forms a what? It forms an M. Once it forms an M, sometimes this place is always liquidity, sometimes it forms lower highs. It forms a lower high. Sometimes forms a lower, sometimes forms liquidity. So at this point, you're expecting to do what? To sell. You're expecting to sell. So you enter at this point, your stop loss is at this point, then you do what? You go long, and you put your take profit right here. You can set as many as 3 take profits. You can set TP1 because you know the price is going to go back, then come down, go back, then come down. So you can set your take profit 3 times so you don't lose your trade. And you might always want to remove your stop loss to break even also. So now let's look at this on trading view. All right, guys, this is trading view on my smartphone. So now you can see this is the Asian section. This purple color is the Asian section. This is Asian section here, right here. This is your Asian section. So now right here you can see that when it was about to break out into the London session, it did what? It formed an M right here. It formed an 1, 2, 3, 4, an M, and did what? It broke out instantly, guys. You can see, guys, it broke out instantly, guys. And it did what? It went all the way through the London session. You would have actually put your right, enter the trade right here, put your take profit right here, then your stop loss right above this region. You get me now? You get this right, guys? Can you get this right, guys? And now moving to all right, guys, as you can see now, this blue color right here is your New York session, and sometimes the New York session always continues from the London session. Now, as you can see here, it was a downtrend. Now it did what? It's moved up to an uptrend on the New York session. Now coming back to the Asian section. Now, never trade the Asian section, even if you think it's going up or going down, because you will not see a correct move. There's not going to be any correct move in that session. Now, when you're now moving back to the London session, that's when you see a correct move. Now, as you can see right here, this is your Asian section. Asian section right here. This is the Asian section right here. You can see it's formed this and this, right? It's formed this and this. It's formed another one here, right here. So right here, you'll be wanting to take your trade. Put your stop loss above this level. Put your stop loss above this level. Then just ride it all along till the session is complete. Ride it till the session is complete. Right here, this is where the session ended. So you have gotten a good number of pips. Now let's see the number of pips that I would have gotten from that trade right there, short position. So if you entered right here, you can see you'd have gotten like good number of pips, like 30 pips, 40 pips. So you can just be targeting 50 pips each day, 50 pips each day. You're bagging profits, guys, bagging profits. All right, guys, like I said the other time, I said when you get to the New York session tends to reverse. Sometimes it continues the trend, sometimes it will reverse the trend. Now, as you can see here, in the New York session, we are having a W. And I told you, a W, what you do, you go up, you go long, just go long. You can go long to this point. Now let's check the number of pips you would have catched when we go long to that point. Long position, just go long. You can see more than 50 pips, guys, more than 50 pips. You can see. So once it gets to the Asian section again, what happens? It's just start consolidating. Now look at this. This is I took this trade. I actually took this trade. As I was showing this, I took this trade. So you can see from the Asian section, you can see that it's consolidated and came into the New York to form a W. Once it forms a W, what do you think is going to happen? It's going long. I actually got out early. I got out early because I was busy. So now you can see, it's still going up, but now it's already retracing. It will still continue going up. It will just retrace to a level and continue retracing. So that's how it is, guys. That's how once you wake up in the morning, you check your Asian session, you go in on your London session at 7 a.m. or 8 a.m. Wait till around 1 p.m. or 2 p.m. You go in on your New York session. That's how you trade, guys. You bag profits every single day, guys. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and click on the bell notification button so that you can get notified when I drop another video like this one. Good day, guys. Go back the profits, guys. If this strategy works for you, comment in this video that this strategy worked for you. Thank you, guys.